Hey guys, to deal with your how to do the blue search comment in TikTok. So if you guys are wondering how to have that blue highlight over on your comment, once you try to view specific TikTok comments, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to have this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So this is going to be pretty easy guys, because as you would notice, once you hop onto specific TikTok videos and look under their comments, basically, in order for us to have that blue highlight over on the specific TikTok video or on our comment, we need to choose a specific video that has this controversial topic with it. So it doesn't really mean to be a specific comment that needs to have some social slur, but what we need to do is to go and just choose a topic or a video that is going viral on our For You page. And from here, I'm gonna choose, let's say maybe this one, which has a specific topic. Because it is actually talking about something, I'm gonna go ahead and tap on the comment box over here. And then what we need to basically type in over here as our comment is something related to the product or the topic on the video. So for example, this video is all about this specific bag or a brown leather bag. So you can actually go ahead and type in over onto the comments, a brown leather bag. And what this will show as based on the TikTok's analytics and algorithm will actually be a search specific highlight, especially since it is a basically related to the TikTok video with its topic. Of course, once you send this is there, basically, once you also have a bunch of likes on your specific comment, TikTok will detect this, and it will also detect it as being related to the TikTok video, allowing your comment to have that blue search highlight. That is all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.